Good morning, guys. Welcome to BitcoinMF. Quick TA update. I remind you, this is not a financial advice. So make sure you do your own research. And if you like to follow me and the content that I upload, all the links are in the description. So make sure you check it out. And let's see what we got today. On the daily chart, we can see that the day is starting with a red candle. Woke up this morning and I see this red candle. And I am still short and I'm still underwater, but it doesn't mean that I am right, and it doesn't mean that you have to do like me. I also don't want you to do like me. I just want to share with you what I think. And through the day we upload in the Discord server and the Telegram channel, and we see how we can make the best out of this day. Okay, so if you haven't checked the links, it's all in the description, so make sure you do. I don't want to waste more time about it. The red candle of the daily. Okay, right now, in my opinion, if price starts to even go a little bit lower, or maybe go a little bit higher, but not moving drastically, okay, in my opinion, this situation will slowly drag inside market people who want to long, okay, because what I think is happening is all of this up move is basically people who want to get short, okay, kind of like me, and go short, and they go short, and they go short, and market pushes more up because there are like more people that are going short actually. And even if people talk the bull talk and all of this, in reality, I think that more people are going short, and this is why market can't let most of the people win, because there will be no money to give the winners, okay? Because it flows from the least people from more people to less people, not from less people to more people, okay? It doesn't make sense for me. So this is how I look at it. So if the market went up, it means the bears, the shorts, paid this price, okay? There is no doubt about it. Who financed the gains of the bulls? The bears, okay? It is obvious for me. I hope it is also for you. So right now, we can see that people might think that we maybe go more up. And like always, I say, everything is possible, and I still watch also this area, like I said in the previous videos, if you follow, because market can shoot up and go to take these stops, because this is like the last level that we had, okay? So it can happen, and it also even can shoot up more, or even more, because the 10k issue is a very sensitive subject, in my opinion. Personally, I believe that we will not go above 10k, but this is only my belief, and you know how it is. If we go above 10k, then you know how it is. I will have to construct myself a new belief, and this will be not a simple thing, actually. But I don't want to discuss too much about this because it can scatter the talk. I want to stay in the TA. So if the market shows us signs that like it can't dump more, so people will go long today. And if more people will go long, because already the shorters here are like tired, okay, they don't know what to do already. Yes, even people ask me, lazy, what is on, what the fuck is going on? And I say, we need to be calm. You need to see something, and you need to know when you stop seeing it. This is the moment you get out of market, okay? I don't care if it is a stop loss, schmop loss. You need to see it. Like myself, I need to see it also, and get out when it's gone, okay? But right now, I still believe that we can dump more. It doesn't mean it's gonna happen, but I still watch it today. Like I said again, because if more people will go into long from this point, market can slowly collect them, collect them, and then dump, okay? Even if the price goes a little bit higher right now, it can still happen, okay? And about the levels, first of all I look at this level again, because if it's gonna retest this level, I want to see if it acts like a support or resistance, okay? And if it breaks up this level again, I want to see what happens on the daily close. If we manage to close above, and like yesterday we talked about the 9.4 level, if we manage to close above the 9.4 level, okay? So this is the general idea of today. If we add the indicators, we can see that RSI is showing us a little bit signs of down. MACD is kind of positive, but also with a little kick down, and stochastic RSI is showing us that it might get down. Okay, well, those are lagging. Again, I say this, so pay attention, because it can also on the daily time frame, it can be the next day, it can draw something else. Okay, but you know me, I look to see if the RSI goes below the 50 level, and once it goes below the 50 level, it will already be late to short, because people will want to see the confirmation, and the confirmation comes in form, in my opinion, of the RSI 50 level, which is not breaking upwards, okay? If it's not breaking upwards, then price stays sideways or goes lower. Okay, so moving on. Let's add the BB, let's add the BitcoinMF strategy, and if you don't know this strategy, you can read about it in the description. And let's see, the long signal, like we know, is still on, everything is good, but this level is still resistance. So today we also look at this. We also look at the BB top range, because we know that once it comes close to the edge, either top or bottom, it means that price can shoot up, okay, and after it can go down to the BB with a strong force, okay? It doesn't always happen, but it happens many times, okay? Like you see here, it's going up, it shoots up, and after it just breaks, and it doesn't want to stop, and when it does, it does. You know what I mean? We get the candle, and straight away we got more up, and you know all the rest, okay? So here is the same situation. Again, it can shoot up, maybe to here, maybe to here, maybe to here, even maybe even higher, and it can go straight after down. But again, because even lazy tells you that, this is how I see it, okay? Because this is like common, okay? This is not a secret. It can also just go down from here. So people who are waiting for what I said before, they miss the train, okay? So this is another thing that we look today, and we look at the volume, and we see there is a low volume, and low volume is easy manipulation for both sides, and we know this, okay? So like yesterday, we also had low volume, suddenly the volume kicked in, and everybody was bull, okay? But again, it works for the both sides, okay? RSI also didn't make a new high, didn't make nothing, so I keep watching this. Let's move on to the 4 hour. 4 hour, we can see that we have a strong doji candle here, or I don't know, doji, double edge Heiken-Aishi I call it, and it can signal us that the reverse of trend is near, okay? Like here, and like many times, okay? Here it wanted, and no, okay, but there is many times that it is like this, okay? Just check the chart and you will see it. So again, we get a tried sell-off, the EMA saves it, the mid BB supports it also, But again, if we go more lower and we close here below the mid BB, so there is a chance that we go even more lower. Okay, but for now we are still holding up. Although if you see the RSI and all of this, mimicators in my opinion is bearish. Okay, and again, when the mimicators and the basic things are bearish, it's also not so easy to go down, unless it's like showing you the obvious, and it starts to go like real down, you know, so that everyone is sure that this is it, it's going down. It's like happened already a few times. I hope that you know what I mean. 1 hour, we can see that we also had a short signal from the resistance, okay, and also the BB thingy popped out and it price go down, and now it picks up a little bit, and now we try to stay above the EMA, and if this RSI won't break above, then we go more down. Okay, if it breaks above though, so we have to wait again until it goes below to see another down move. If no down move, so it's bull. Okay, or not. Okay, 30 minutes. The bearish cross, we can see the bearish cross, and like I many times say, when it's coming to the bearish cross, because it's so obvious and because it's short time frames, market does the opposite and collects Jimmy and all the small traders and goes up. After it goes up and they close and they panic, it goes down again, and after it goes up again. And now we have to see again what is going on, because it can go up to here, and when it gets up to here, this will be the point that it will like decide this decision time, I call it. Okay, this will be the point where we can see on the chart also that the RSI will be close to 50 probably, and what will happen here will determine where it will go. All right, 15 minutes scalpers time frame. Okay, and we can see that the MACD and the RSI also again still at the negative phase, but if this goes on, if this buying is coming through, and if this continues and can break this level and this level and this level, so eventually we can again test the red line. Okay, this is possible, and it starts from here. But like always, if you follow the Discord, I post many times the 15-minute chart. Why I post the 15-minute chart? Because throughout the day, when I leave this chart open, it doesn't mean that I'm always near it. Okay, I got the notifications, I got everything, like everybody. It's okay. So the 15 minutes is like I watch it, okay, because this is what I tell you. I know that if it goes up to here and if it goes here and here, so the chances probably we're gonna retest. Okay, so this is how it goes. This is how I watch it. And again, if the MACD will start to print out now the buy phase, because the buy orders will kick in, so it means that bears will have to wait until it goes again to the negative phase, and have to wait until the RSI again is below 50 for a chance for a move down. Okay, but again, a move down can happen or from here, or if it shoots up and goes like way up, I don't know to where, eventually RSI will be over bought. Okay, and this is not a meme or a meme, I don't care. Again, when it will be here, it can also go down. So there are two options, like kind of, when the price goes down. And the two options are, in my opinion, when first it hits the resistance lines of the 50 level and it goes down, and the second is when it hits the overbought and it goes down. But the funny thing is, the beautiful thing, in my opinion, that when it hits the overbuy and goes down, it's like always more violent. You know what I mean? Because it go like poof straight sometimes, and this is what I want to see. And this is what I want to see only because I am bear today still, okay? And again, this does not mean that it's going to happen what I say, but it can happen. Also, we cover the bull scenario, so in case you are long from the signal and you're still in profit, so you know what to do. and I hope it helps somebody. And another thing, like always, we look at the pivots, and the pivots of the hourly I put here is the CME. We don't want the CME, we want the regular one. And here we can see that we are currently below the EMA 21, and like I say, this is the most basic TA thing I could find, but it's also, in my opinion, important. Okay, it's not means that it sucks or it's nonsense. It means that it works. Okay, simple. When the price is below the 21 EMA, it's like more like a bear signal. Okay, so in order to bulls take control from this point, they actually have to shoot the price up, make the market reverse, and make it at least close above this EMA 21. Okay, which is right now not the situation. And if we already touch this little bit again, let's talk about the gaps, because everybody say gaps, and also lazy say gaps, and I like the gaps. It's okay, I'm not ashamed. And like yesterday, we still wait. If the gap closes, okay, from here, then okay, mucho bueno, it closes. If it doesn't close, we see what we do and where we get out of the market. Okay, but still I watch this and I don't care what no one says. I watch this. Okay, so that's it for today. Again, if you like, you can like and comment and subscribe. I will answer, try to do my best. And if you don't like, you can also like. And that's it, guys. I see you next time. Just trade safe, and bye bye.